Watch out. Guard against the leaven of the Pharisees and the leaven of Herod. When the disciples heard this, they thought of bread. Because leaven or yeast is what you put to the dough to make it rise. So they thought the Lord is talking about baking. But though leaven means yeast, sa Tagalog po, levadura, pampaalsa, leaven can also mean something else. Not literally a yeast, but figuratively something that will influence you to change. Because that is what yeast does, di ba? Yung harina, pag nilagyan mo yeast, umaalsa. Binabago niya ang itsura nito. Ine-expand. The Lord is warning His disciples, be careful with what you allow to influence yourself. Do not think that they are small things. Yeast, you can hardly see. But even or in spite of its smallness, they can change you. If there are good influences, there are also bad influences. And Herod and the Pharisees can influence you to do or think something bad. Meron pong kasabihan sa English, little things mean a lot. Little things, they can be positive or negative. Positive, for example, to your wife or to your husband, little things like touching his hair or her hair, saying, I love you, they are not expensive. But if you do them sincerely, it can improve the relationship. But little things mean a lot also in a negative way. Let's talk about corruption. Wala naman sigurong nagnakaw ng malaki kaagad. Nagsisimula yan sa mga maliliit. Una, inuuwi typewriting. At ang katwiran, kailangan ng anak ko sa school dalawa lang namang piraso. So, typewriting. Hanggang sa paulit-ulit na ginagawa, sa bandang huli yung typewriting, naging typewriter na. Iba na yung inuuwi. So, nagsimula sa maliit. Dahil pinabayaan, lumaki ng lumaki. And that is why the Lord is warning us, not only the disciples but us, be careful. Even small things can change you either positively or negatively. That is also how you develop habit, good or bad. Minsan may mga nagtatanong sa akin, Father, anong sekreto mo? Bakit ang payat mo? Sabi ko, fasting. No? Ay, paano yun? Well, I don't eat for 16 hours. I eat only for 8 hours. Yung intermittent fasting. Sabi, kaya mo yun? Hirap nun ah. Sabi ko, wag mong biglain. Magsimula ka sa maliit. Kasi yan ang kumisan ng pumipigil sa atin eh. We try to do big things immediately. You start from the small. Small steps. Parang baby. Unang hakbang, maliit na hakbang. Pero unti-unti, nagkayayari, no? Humahakbang ka na ng mas stable. If small things are good, or give positive outlook or fruits, bad things can also be like that. And so, my dear sisters and brothers, be careful. Be careful with what you allow yourself. No? Good habit, bad habit, most of the time, they start from little things. The warning is very clear. Guard against the leaven of the Pharisees and the leaven of Herod. Be watchful for little things. Amen.